Comparing Gold IRA companies can feel confusing, especially when every website says they are the top rated choice. But here's how to actually compare them side by side using five key factors that matter most. Number one, the spread. How much more you will pay when you buy versus what you get when you sell. Number two, the buyback policy. Can you easily liquidate your gold if you need the money? Number three, customer complaints, especially around hidden fees or delays. Number four, satisfaction guarantees. Some companies stand by their service, others not so much. And number five, high pressure tactics. That's always a red flag. Good news is you don't have to figure this out alone. There's a free company integrity checklist that walks you through every factor. You will find the link right below this video in the description. It helps you make an informed choice with confidence instead of falling for flashy marketing. Grab the free checklist below, it could save you thousands.